The measure would ban most abortions in Iowa once a heartbeat is detected. Late today, Governor Reynolds' office told me she hadn't received the bill. Opponents say they'll fight it if she signs it.
We defend life at all hours.
Iowa's House and Senate debating overnight and passing the controversial heartbeat bill Wednesday morning.
We are alive when our hearts start beating, and our life is over when it stops.
It would ban most abortions as soon as a heartbeat is detected.
It's my hope that we're always going to seek to look to elevate our humanity.
Let's hear from some of you courageous pro-life people, because I sure as heck don't see you when it comes time to defending children in the state of Iowa that are already born. It makes me sick.
An amendment added to the bill would make exemptions for cases of rape and incest. Still, this bill is the most restrictive in the country.
It would decimate access to safe and legal abortion in the state of Iowa. And like I said, for our services, 99% of abortions are performed after the 6-week mark.
Opponents like Planned Parenthood of the Heartland say that's not enough time for women to know they're pregnant and to get an ultrasound. They also anticipate a long court battle.
I don't know what folks would do. A law like this has never stood in the entire country because it is so blatantly unconstitutional.
Reps with Iowans for Life told our sister station in Des Moines today they are, quote, thrilled with this bill, saying it's a positive step toward the defense of human life. Again, Governor Reynolds' office tells me she still has not seen this bill in its final form. Rob, back to you.